guys, welcome back to today's tutorial here on my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be creating this food design here in PixelLab. So with that being said, let's get started. So actually I've imported all the images I'll be using for this tutorial already in order to save time. Even my text, everything, I've written them down already in order to save time for this tutorial. So in case you don't know how to, you should know how to import your photos. So what you're going to do is just the first plus sign, then from gallery, then just these three lines at the top left, then locate wherever your picture images are. So that being said, I've imported the first design. You can actually see they are not clear, they're not that clear here. Yeah, I deliberately did this because I will be enhancing these images in another video. Alright, so I've imported this for the first one. Imported this. Let me just go back. Alright, in case I'll be leaving a link for you to be able to download images used in this tutorial. So you should have imported this now. Make sure it's centralized. The size is 3451. In case you're having difficulty with that, I said in my previous video, to get the exact size, make sure this maintain ratio is disabled. Make sure it's disabled, then you're able to get the exact size 3451. Alright, let's go to the next image. Sorry, let me put this at the front. The next image is this. The size is 4340. In order to get the same size, the enable ratio the maintain ratio should be disabled. Alright, so I'll just position that to the back. And now the last image. Alright, I imported this one as a texture, but okay, let me just delete it and import it back. Let me import this back. Okay, see, it's not clear because we'll be enhancing this in another video. So the size for this is disable the maintain ratio. The size for this is 41. Okay, that's okay. Let me use this grid line in order to position these two shapes properly. Okay, alright, okay, yeah, a little bit to the top and then position it to the back. Alright, this is okay. For this, the first image we imported, the one at the front, it has a stroke, and the stroke is stroke color is white and the stroke width is 4. So just do that. Stroke is white and stroke width is 4. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see what we have here. Alright, let's go to the next thing, which is our text. Alright, so I've imported. I just turn the layer on for my text, so you just go ahead and write this, don't stop, just order. For that, the text size for this is 53. So the text size for this is 53. So we'll be adding a stroke to this text. So you just copy it. Make sure it's transparent. In order to do that, any color that your PixelLab is showing, just click on this plus sign and then drag this last line here to this other part, and then you have created a transparent text. Alright, so we'll be adding a stroke. The text we just created, we'll be giving it a stroke, a white stroke. One. Position it exactly. Okay, it's already okay. Just the way I want it. It's already okay, just the way I want it. Alright, I've done that. Let's see what's left. Alright, okay, the rest information, which are at the bottom, and this rectangle shape at the back. Alright, for the rectangle shape, we just create a new shape. I think this is okay. Let's see. For the rectangle, the size is okay. I can't go further in this. I can't go further with this. Alright, so this side should be okay for us. This side should be okay. Position it like this. place it to the back, and then the gradient is this. We're using this gradient, and using this gradient. Okay, in order to get the color F code I used, you can just come here, just click on the plus sign for the first part of the gradient, which is on my right. Click on this drop this thing that look like something is dropping down from something. Click on it, and then you can see the color code here. You just go ahead, copy it, and as copy that, click on this pen to here, and then write what you are seeing there. Alright, just do the same for this next one here. Do the same for this. Copy the color code. Alright, I believe you should have done that. Let's see what's next. Alright, like I said, all the I've imported, I've written down all the text I used, so now save that. Okay, that's that. You can just go ahead and copy it also. What I wrote is open Monday to Sunday, just copy that. Alright, and for that, the size of this is 16. The size of this is 16. The size of this is 16. Centralize it. Okay, let's see whether it's okay first. Just leave it here first. And the next thing here is delivery depends on schedule. Go ahead and write the same thing I wrote. And again, that you can edit just double tap on any text, double tap on it, and so take it back to this place so you can edit it. So for that, the main text color is white, and then you go to background. You immediately go to background. The same gradient you use for this rectangle shape we placed in the back of all these images will appear as first. So you're just going to pick that, and for the padding, the left padding is 6, the right padding is 5, the top is 1, and the bottom is 1, the radius is 11. So just click on this check mark button here, right? And the size for this also is 16. Size for this is 16. Size for this is 16. Centralize it. Size for this is 16. Make sure it's centralized. Alright, let's see what's left. What I should be placed. Let me look for it here. Alright. Let me just bring it out. Alright. The size for this is 15. Sorry about that animation. We can use the default font actually. You can use the default font, but the font I use is Montserrat. So you just go ahead and search for Montserrat, and I use Montserrat Media. But you can actually use the default font because all these fonts are actually kind of similar. So order should be placed. The size for order should be placed is okay. The size for this is 15 rather. It's 15 as the size. Okay. I've done that. Let me just reposition this a bit. Okay. Let's see what's left. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Social media. Right. I've written down the number already, so you can actually use your number or just any number. Just pick a number for that. For that, my size is 14. Sorry about that. Size 14. Place it here. Oh, sorry, that one outside. Place it here. It's okay. And the Lamy Cook size is should be 14 also. Should be 14. Alright, it's 14. Let me use a grid line so to be aligned. Okay, that's okay. Position it here. It's the same grid line here. Okay, now import your. Let me import my icons. First one is my Instagram, so let me just crop. That's my Instagram. Alright. Let me erase background. Background for this. Resize it. Size, I think this is okay. It should be okay, yes, it's okay. Positions here. Turn on this grid line again. See what I'm doing exactly. Okay, this should be okay. So the WhatsApp icon is left. Copy this. Since they are in the same page, then crop, go to crop. Alright, then move this to WhatsApp. Okay, that's it already. The background has already erased because the effect has happened in the Instagram icon already. So let's just move this a bit. Okay, this is locked. This a bit. Okay, this is okay. My WhatsApp icon. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. Let's see what's left. We can this to front. Let's see what's left. We've done this. Alright, the curve shadow. Which I see here. I think it's still here. Okay, yes, it's still here. Alright, placing this here, following the exact size of this. So the size for this curve shadow is 38. Alright, 38. Place it here. Centralize it also. Alright, I think 38 is a bit big. It's coming out. Let's go with 37. Centralize it. Okay, place it to the back. Alright. Okay, because of our stroke, I think this is okay for me. Depends on you, any how you want this. So this is okay for me. Copy it and I'll place it in my other images. You don't need to resize it because the curved shadow is actually going to the back. So let me turn off this grid line. Okay, position this. This is okay for me. This is okay for me. Copy it again and put it in the next image. Okay, position to the back. Alright, this is okay. Okay, let's see what is next. Let's see what we're left with. Alright, this dot here, this full stop. Okay, create a new shape. Take the radius to 100. The gradient should be here. The same gradient color we used before should be here. Okay, right, this is it. Should be here. Okay, the other. Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, let's place it here. Let's place it here. Move this. Keep on readjusting to yeah, okay. With what you've done. Okay, this is actually too bad. Let me see. Alright, that is the size actually. That's size 88. Alright, let's see. Let me take it to 9. Let's leave it at 9. Alright, duplicate it and make this one white. Position it here. Position it here. And for this, the size of this is 7. So we adjust here. Okay, with that. Okay, this not too bad. And just move it to the left a bit. Okay, that's okay for me. Duplicate the circle shape at the back. Duplicate it. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. So let me turn on this grid line. Yeah. Turn on this grid line. Yeah. Alright. Position this here. Position it. Okay, that's okay. So what's left is our logo. Our logo is left. Let me make another grid line here. So my logo will be aligned. Alright. Another grid line here. is okay. Duplicate the shape again, duplicate it, position it here. This is okay, this is okay. Duplicate the white, duplicate the white, position it here. Alright, I think I'll create the size for this. I'll create the size for this. Then adjust it here. Okay, just keep on adjusting it here. Okay, with what you've done. Alright, let me move this to the right. Let me bring it down. Sorry, let me bring it down a bit. Okay, alright. So then import your logo. Import your logo. Just use your own logo for this. Just use your own logo for this. Alright, make sure you use your own logo for this. Alright, for my logo size is, my logo size is, oh, okay, it depends on your logo size, so it doesn't matter. This one, just place it here. Okay, this is okay. This is okay for me. This is okay. Alright, so you can just make some little adjustment, move your images a little bit up or to the bottom, or any how you want it to be your text. But let's move our text. Let's just move our text. We're moving order should be placed. Alright, let me show you again. In order to do that, just click on this icon here. Click on it, and we'll be moving deliveries. Oh wait, okay, sorry. Order should be placed. Then click on this, select this. Delivery depends on schedule. Select this. Open Monday to Sunday. Alright, with that, select this. We've selected all three. Then come to the second icon here and click on move to exactly the way I've seen this too. That is what they are used for: to centralize, to rotate, to resize, to turn off all layers, to move, and to lock. So click on move to. So you can see they are all moving because we selected all three. So it depends on you. Actually, this is actually okay for me. Just resize this in case the size of yours will just resize here. Okay, I think I should move my text above. Let me move that. Don't starve. I've clicked on don't starve and don't starve, and this little full stop we created here. Move that again. Alright, I moved this twice. I didn't move this circle. Alright, move this and I move this twice again. 1, 2. Alright, so okay, what's left is our background. Our background is what's left. Okay, so let me import my background. This is the first one here. Increase size. I want it to come out from the page. Okay, this is okay. Just centralize this and place it back. Lock the layer. Alright, the next one. You're going to rotate this background. Rotate it. Just rotate it like this, and this is okay. So resize it till it comes out from the page. Resize it till it comes out from the page. Okay, this is okay. Place it to the back and reduce this opacity to 5 or 4. Alright, 5 is okay. Alright, 6 is okay. Okay, already going. Let me just leave that. Let me see. 7. Okay, that's that. Yes. So you can see the difference here is just in the enhancement of the image. You can see the difference. Hold on. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. So that's the end for this tutorial. So in the next tutorial I will show you how I enhance this, both the vibrance and everything with Lightroom. So that's that for this video. Go ahead and save your file. I'll see you in my next video.